Hello, good morning dear students. So in today's class we are going to discuss about the spectral series of hydrogen atom right. So in spectral series of hydrogen atom we are going to discuss about the different types of spectral series which are obtained during the emission of spectrum of an hydrogen atom. Okay. So as we know that normal hydrogen atom, it has an electron in a ground state. Okay. Usually a normal atom has an electron in a ground state. When the energy is being supplied to that atom, then electron gets some energy. Okay. After getting some energy, it will jump to the higher orbit, and there it has a lifetime of about 10 to the power of minus 8 second. Okay, it stays at the higher orbit for nearly 10 to the power of minus 8 second is its lifetime. After that, again this electron will jump from higher orbit to the lower orbit. Okay, so during this transition, when electron is jumping from a higher orbit to the lower orbit, during this transition, the electron is going to be emit some radiation. Okay, as we already discussed this topic in the last class. So the emitted radiation, its energy is given by E is equal to, it is E2 minus E1. Okay, where E1 and E2 are the energies of the first orbit and the second orbit. Okay, so their difference gives the energy which it is going to be emitted during the transition of an electron from higher orbit to the lower orbit. So here these radiations are emitted is what here? Some of the photons which are emitted. So these photons which are emitting during the transition has different frequencies. It has different frequencies. Okay. Now, so such during the transition we can see a different spectral series, a different types of spectral series we are going to be observed. So in that the first one is that is Lyman series. Lyman series. Okay, Lyman series. This series consists of all the spectral lines emitted because of the transition of an electron from higher orbit to the first orbit. From higher orbit to the first orbit. That is here N1 is equal to 1 and N2 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dash, dash, infinity. This Lyman series is a spectral line, is a spectral series which we are going to be obtained during the emission spectrum of a hydrogen atom. So this series consists of all the spectral series emitted because of the transition of electron from the higher orbit. Here higher orbit means what here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Transition of electron from the higher orbit to the lower orbit. Here lower orbit is the first orbit. It is lower orbit and these are the higher orbits. Okay. So here the longest wavelength which is corresponding here corresponding to the transition, it is N2 is equal to 2 to N1 is equal to 1, which has the longest wavelength during the transition of the higher orbit which is 2 and the lower orbit is here 1. So when this electron makes a transition from second orbit to the first orbit, there we can observe the largest wavelength. The emitted radiations has the largest wavelength. Okay. Now, if the transition takes from infinite to N1 is equal to 1, then this has a shortest wavelength. Okay. And this Lyman series we can able to see in ultraviolet region. In ultraviolet region, you can able to see the Lyman series in the ultraviolet region. So this is about all about the Lyman series here. Here the transition is taken from higher orbit to the first orbit. Here what are those higher orbits? Here N2 is nothing but higher orbit. N1 is nothing but lower orbit. N2 is equal to either it might be higher orbit, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dash infinity. If the electron takes a transition from the second orbit to the first orbit, then here it has the largest wavelength. If it takes from infinity to 1, then it has the shortest wavelength. So we can see under the ultraviolet region, we can see the Lyman series under the ultraviolet region. So this is all about the Lyman series. Now second, Balmer series. Balmer series. This series consists of all the spectral lines emitted because of the transition from the higher orbit to the first orbit. Sorry, to the second orbit. So that is what Balmer series here. Here the transition is taken from the higher orbit, means it might be third orbit, fourth orbit, fifth orbit, sixth orbit, infinite. So that higher orbit to the second orbit here. Okay. Now if the transition takes from N2 is equal to 3 to N1 is equal to 2, then here it has the largest wavelength. The wavelength corresponding to the transition of an electron from the largest wavelength, which is corresponding to the transition from the third orbit to the second orbit. Okay, we can observe the largest wavelength. Now here for n2 is equal to, if I take n2 is equal to infinity to the n1 is equal to 2, then here it has the shortest. Here wavelength is corresponding to the transition. The smallest, the shortest wavelength corresponds to the transition from infinity to the second. So this is for shortest. Now here we can see this Balmer series under visible region. Visible region. Okay. Now I think I have already explained you the spectral series of Balmer series. Okay. There here, if the transition takes from third orbit, higher orbit to the second orbit, third orbit to the second orbit, here it has the H alpha. If it takes from fourth to second, then it has the H beta, fifth to 2, H gamma, sixth to 2, H delta. Okay, I have explained this topic in the last video class. Just to go through that video, where you can see all the spectral lines of a Balmer series. Okay, so this is all about the Balmer series. Next, the other type of spectral series, that is Paschen series. Paschen series. This series consists of all the spectral lines emitted because of the transition of an electron from the higher orbit to the third orbit. Here higher orbit means n2 is equal to 4, 5, 6 dash infinity to n1 is equal to 3. Okay. Now for largest wavelength, here n2 is equal to 4 to n1 is equal to 3. This is the largest wavelength. Okay. n2 is equal to infinity to n1 is equal to 3. It is smallest. Okay. This Paschen series we can see under the infrared region. Infrared region. We can see under the infrared region. Okay. So this is all about the Paschen series. Now similarly for bracket series, here this series consists of all the spectral lines emitted because of the transition of electron from the higher orbit n2 is equal to 5, 6, 7 dash infinity to the lower orbit n1 is equal to 4. And the largest wavelength corresponds to the transition from n2 is equal to 5 to n1 is equal to 4. This is the largest. And n2 is equal to infinity to n1 is equal to 4, which is the smallest. Now fifth, it is P-fund series. P-fund series. This series consists of all the spectral lines emitted because of transition from the higher orbit, that is n2 is equal to 6, 7, 8 dash to infinity to n1 is equal to the lower orbit, is 5. Here the transition is taken from the higher orbit to the fifth orbit. Here transition is taken from the higher orbit to the fourth orbit, from higher orbit to the third orbit, higher orbit to the second orbit, higher orbit to the first orbit. Okay. Now here n2 is equal to 6 to n1 is equal to 5, which is the largest, and n2 is equal to infinity to n1 is equal to 5, which is the smallest wavelength. So the smallest wavelength is also called as the short limit. शॉर्टेस्ट लिमिट also it is shortest limit, इसे shortest limit भी बोलते हैं या तो smallest limit बोलते हैं. Okay, so this is all about the spectral series of hydrogen, the different types of spectral series of hydrogen atom. Okay, so here how the transition is taking place. Initially when it is in ground state, in the normal state, the electron is in the ground state. When it takes from when it gets some energy, when some energy is being supplied to that atom, then because of that energy, the electron will get excited and it jumps to the higher orbit, and there it has a lifetime where it stays in the higher orbit for 10 to the power minus 8 seconds, and after that it will jump from higher orbit to the lower orbit by emitting some photons of different frequencies. Okay, so these are all the spectral series of different types of spectral series of hydrogen atom. Okay, so this is the spectral series of hydrogen atom. Okay, so just to go through this one. Okay, sometimes in 1 marks, maximum times they have asked in 1 marks that in which region we can able to see the Lyman series, in which region we can observe the Lyman series, that is ultraviolet region, or sometimes they might ask about the gamma series, or sometimes they might ask you for the Paschen series or Peafold series or bracket series. Okay, so one thing you should know that students, that about the transition. Okay, when we can able to see the Lyman series. Okay, ये Lyman series का ट्रांजिशन कैसे आ रहा है हम देखना. हायर ऑर्बिट से फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट हो रहा है, यहाँ पे हायर ऑर्बिट से सेकंड ऑर्बिट हो रहा है, यहाँ पे हायर ऑर्बिट से थर्ड ऑर्बिट, यहाँ पे हायर ऑर्बिट से फोर्थ ऑर्बिट, हायर ऑर्बिट से फिफ्थ ऑर्बिट. ये सारे हमें ट्रांजिशंस याद रखना पड़ेगा. ओके, जस्ट टू नोट डाउन दिस वन. So in the next class, dear students, we will discuss the energy level diagram. Okay, how the transition is going to be taking place. Okay, and each orbit is having a particular its energy. Okay, that we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you, dear students.